Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's do it. So YouTube always rolling out new features. They've got some new features just rolled out. There's a few things that stood out in my research. Let me know what stands out most for you. So the first thing, when you get ready to go live, now they got it where instead of a static image, you can have a trailer for your live streams. However, it takes over 1,000 subscribers to get that trailer added. And I was checking it out. As a matter of fact, you can actually have a live stream and you can have a trailer to go to your live stream. However, you have to have over 1,000 subscribers in order to enable that. Most big YouTubers are not telling us that. They don't really go into depth with that. And that's why I said I had to put this video together, because I know that somebody out there just like me who are wondering about these new YouTube features. If this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe. Hit the bell and be the first to get my next video. We'd love to have you in the family. You can get a community tab even with 1 subscriber. Think about that. You can get a community tab even if you're not at that 500 subscriber mark. You don't have to have 1 million views. You don't have to reach 500 subscribers in order to get that community tab. Nobody's ever talking about it. I never really knew that. You can have a community tab even if you have 1 subscriber. But even with 1 subscriber, I've seen channels, you can get that community tab right there. Look at that. Now I have to give some credit to 28 Homeboy. He's doing his thing with this community tab. He's staying in touch with this community, even at that small level. You can get a community tab. Reach out with those community features, even if you only have 1, 2, 3, even if you only have 24 subscribers. You can have a community tab. Community tab opens up for you. Even as a small channel, you can crack through that algorithm. You can crack through that system and build up a reputation with the YouTube system. I want to share this video with you right here, how I solved the mystery of the algorithm. I think that video would be great for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. And remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level.